well, haven't done this in a while. Don't mind my teddy in the frame too. Shout out to my boyfriend. Oh, today's palette we're gonna focus on is it meant to be. It's nice for spring, even though can't do nothing as of right now because everybody gotta stay inside. Well, not everybody, because some of us gotta work. Anyways, let's see what the palette looks like. Ooh. I don't know what I'm going to do. I just know I'm going to use this, and then because kind of got a dress to match it, match the colors here. So I'm just gonna get started. So I'm going to prime my lids using my Makeup Revolution canvas crease canvas thingamajiggy. Feels weird to be doing this. I feel like I sound weird because I feel like I'm trying to whisper as always. So I'm back at this thing again, trying it again with my job because I still have to go out. They gave us an extra day off, so I was like, well, let me use this as an opportunity to try and make videos again and see where it goes. The joy of being an inconsistent person. The only thing I feel like I am persistent at or consistent is doing nothing and being lazy. I'm gonna go with the shade called Seltzer. Right here, I guess place that in the crease. That is a transition color. I don't know. Don't really know what I'm doing. I just know I want to be looking all nice for spring and have pastel colors on my face. So that's what I'm going with. Okay, so now that is on there, I think I'm going to go with well, it's just powdery. I think I'll go in. Ooh, what do I want to go? Do I want to go with this deeper blue light color or go with? I think I'm gonna go with this one. Ice cold. Ooh, that's backwards. Chill factor. On the same brush. I'm gonna go with for black sticks, I don't know. I'm going to place that right below my brow bone, above, pretty much on that first color I used, to see if I can make this more of a greenish vibe. I think for my lid color, I'm gonna go with Minty. I'm gonna take it on my finger. Ooh, wait. I wanna use these two. I wanna use Minty and Mojito Mommy. I'm gonna take this deeper green one. Not in the center, but like, what is this? Right there, I don't know. Not fully on the lid because I'm going to put the other color towards the inner corner and have them meet up in the middle. Does that make sense? And with the other color, what did I say it was? Mojito Mommy. I'm putting it in the inner corners and blending it into the first color. Oh, now it's time to get a freaking brush because my fingers can only go so far into my lid. And then for shits and giggles, we're gonna go with another color that's staring at me in the face. We're gonna go with Play It Cool. I'm sorry. Right here. Silvery tone green. We're gonna apply that in the inner corner of my lid. I'm not saying inner corner of the lid. That's so pretty. Yeah, I bought this palette when it was $9 instead of like what, 12? This is so pretty for spring and summer and whenever you want to wear it, honestly. Okay. I already moisturized my face, but you could use a little more. I'm going to use Waterfall. Oh no, Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Nice and cold. Next, I think it's going to be some type of pore filling primer. Or no problem. No fucking good. No Problem Primer by Touch'n'Sion. The D by Too Faced in the shade Butterscotch, and I got this at TJ Maxx. No, I didn't have this one. They are selling it at TJ Maxx, but can't get it now because everything's closed. But I actually bought it on Ulta when it was on sale. Should've waited. Should've waited. For concealer, I'm going to use Colourpop. I wonder how long it took YouTubers to like have a full-on conversation to fill up like, I guess, the dead space while they're blending. Or I should say beauty gurus, how long it take for them to not be silent when they're bouncing away. For bronzer, I'm going to take the Pure Bronze and Brighten in the shade Dreamer palette. I want to use this whole palette for highlighter and blush, because why not? Brows, I'm just going to use Anastasia Brow Wiz and the NYX Fill and Fluff in the shade Black Ebony. And I'll be right back because they're not going to be the best. Okay, now that I got this, whatever I got going on here done, let's finish up the eyeballs. So I'm going to take this color, Ice Cold, and Day Monte, whatever. Do the lower, oh my gosh, the lighting, and do the lower lash line. Wow, I need to stop. I need to figure out why is it doing that to me. And I don't think I want to do eyeliner, but I'm going to do mascara, and that's going to be the It Superhero mascara. Just trying to finish this stuff up. So I've been trying to put on eyelashes for the last probably 30 minutes. This was not working. This brand, Kylo, whatever, from Marshall's. Suck. Oh. Okay, so what's next? Come on, lighting, come back. Lastly is lips, right? Oh, my hair is a mess. I'm gonna use Brink by Colourpop. One of their lippy sticks. I'm gonna put that Makeup Revolution Glorified Lip Vanilla Lip and Shine Lip Gloss on top of that. So I think it took me the end of the video to maybe get better lighting. Or it probably still sucks. But this is the end results. Yeah. Is spring enough? This springy. Yeah. So that's it. It wasn't that good, but it's what I'm going to put out there. So that's it. I don't know what else to say. I guess as times go on I get better, but this is all I got so far. I think it looks okay. I think my hair is terrible. My lips are looking weird. But I like the eyes and how they match the shirt or the dress that I have on. Yeah, well, go ahead and click away now. I'm done. That's it.